My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to explain Jolly Phonics Group 3, the third letter, third sound of Jolly Phonics Group 3. The letter name is U and the sound is A, 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 like umbrella. Okay, my dear kids, what you can see in that picture, it's a time for picture description. I think so. It's a rainy day, a lot of rain. That's why kids having umbrella in their hands. There are, you see here, there are small insects and small animals here. What are the kids doing? I think so. They splash water, rainwater, by using their feet. My dear kids, it's not good activity to splash rainwater or other water because it can dirt, it can disturb other person's cloth. So if you want to choose any path, you select dry portion or the less water portion so the other person will not disturb by your moving. Okay, what's the next? It's a time for story. What's the story behind this sound? Using an umbrella protect us from rain. You see here, the kids are protecting themselves by using umbrella. We should take care of our feet when we walk in our rainwater so that splashes of water do not fly from the feet. You see here, what are the kids doing? They splash the water. If splashes fly from the feet, the clothes of the other will be damaged. My dear kids, being a Muslim, we should clean our clothes by saying prayer. Because if you splash the other person's cloth or your cloth is splashed by your feet, will not offer prayer. Now what's the next? It's a time for song. What's the song behind sound umbrella? Ah, ah, up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it start to rain. Dear kids, now we will move toward word building. Here are some words which we learn in Jollyphonic Group 1 and 2, and we make new word by using a and these sounds like up, sun, sun, mud, mud, up, cup, run, run. So it's easy method to learn word by using blending of words, sounds. Okay, dear kids, what's the action behind this sound? Pretend you have an umbrella in your hand. Your one hand is picking an umbrella and you want to open the umbrella. You use your second hand and you want to put it up your second hand like you want to open the umbrella. So say umbrella. Thank you so much, my dear kids. We will meet on tomorrow with next sound, next video. Take care.